Hello and welcome to High Foodtrucks. Check out this cute little donut and ice cream trailer that we are shipping off to Montana today. This one is of course for this organization and it is 12 feet long. It's small but it has all kinds of features. Let's go check it out. Outside of course is you can see our seamless construction, which means you would not see any rivets on the outside. Makes the trailer a lot long lasting, and the wrap doesn't bubble around it, so the wrap lasts a lot longer as well. Of course, you can't forget the wrap on the outside. Check out the clarity on this. Let me show you the features. You can actually see each of the grains of the wheat. Something we are very, very proud of course. Also outside are two LED lights, well, 4 of them in 2 sets. Outside shelf and the serving window, which is of course self-closing. That is how we do it look when it is in operation. On this side, of course, that's how you drain the water, that's how you fill the water, and that's the shore power connection. This has a donut fryer inside, therefore has propane tanks, and you can see the propane going under the floor of the trailer. Very important. It is required by code in many places. Also, it's much safer. 10 years from today, if it leaks outside. Giant bolts you see are holding up the fire suppression system. Of course, like all trailers that we build, this is also double axle, heavy duty of course. You can see that was the exhaust fan with the grease catch pan of course. Let's go inside. To prevent the doors from fluttering around, there is a little catch there. Floor is aluminum diamond plate. Cooking wall, of course, is stainless. You can see the large donut fryer up there. This was supplied by the customer. And the ice cream machine. Little ice cream machine, but works really well for them. 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink. Hand wash sink of course has a splash guard. They haven't labeled the breakers yet, but they will of course before shipping. And you can see every single piece of equipment has its own breaker. Soap dispenser, towel dispenser, and the fire suppression system is of course you can see has tags. Between every panel there is a trim piece to prevent grease from going inside and whatnot. The hood, of course, slightly oversized. Idea is that tomorrow they might want to add another piece of equipment. So we picked a rather large cylinder for this. Reach-in freezer, reach-in refrigerator. Both will open completely, of course. And here is one of the highlights of our construction. All our wiring is inside conduits. This way, this trailer lasts for as long as it needs, 20, 25, 30 years. If we were to put it inside the walls, the wires would eventually chafe due to the motion of the trailer, and you would develop short circuits. You also see how every piece of equipment has its own breaker. That brings us to the end of before that, let me show you this thing. You see how every piece of equipment is bolted to the floor with washers. If you have any questions, or if you would like a trailer or truck like this, please do contact us through higfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.